Hey Valuable family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how you're going to find products to sell in 2022. So I read through almost all of you guys' comments on my YouTube channel, and a lot of you guys always say that you have trouble finding that product and have trouble finding the right niche. So if you guys are unfamiliar with my story, I actually started off just selling lashes on my website. And then from lashes, I went on to selling lip gloss and lash bundles. And then from there, I went on to something completely different. And now I'm almost centered in a different niche. I think that a lot of people put too much emphasis on finding the perfect thing instead of just starting and picking a name for your business and website that can complement multiple different items. So you guys know I've made a video similar like this before where I showed you guys physically on AliExpress how to find trendy items and items to sell, which I will post the link right here if you guys want to go watch that. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys new techniques that you guys can use to find winning products for 2022. The first way that I research of how to find products to sell is literally just TikTok. One thing I like to do is I like to go on TikTok and I search TikTok made me buy it. These keywords bring up a whole bunch of different videos that are just normal people talking about things that they saw on TikTok that they went and bought. One thing that I did notice is that a lot of these videos actually highlight, things that they bought from Amazon because of TikTok. But one thing that I want to make clear to you guys is just because that it's on Amazon doesn't mean that you guys could grab something like that or find something like that product and make it your own. You would be shocked as to how many things are on AliExpress and Alibaba, not only for people that are wanting to get into dropshipping, but for people that are willing to buy in bulk or do branded items as well. So this is Alibaba.com, and this is what I use for buying in bulk, manufacturing my own products, etc. So what I do to brainstorm and find new ideas is basically I just stay on this homepage, and they always have some type of thing where you can watch the products live, new and trending designs. So I click view more here. And then this opens up an entire page where you can kind of just go through things that are popular on Alibaba and things that they kind of recommend to you as well. On mine, you see a lot of like cosmetics and women type of products just because they see me searching that a lot. But yours might look a little bit different until they realize like what your account likes. So for example, if you were looking into the fitness niche, right here, they actually show you, like if you were to click on this product, for example, and if you watch this live stream, you can actually see, and they even give you videos like you could technically use. But look at this video, and she's talking to you. You can like turn on the sound, and they describe the products that they have. They show you the products that they're selling in bulk, and then you can literally go right here, and the products are right here. So this is something that I like to use because I like to actually see the videos of the products. And this is really great for clothing brands as well. If you're somebody that you're wanting to get into the fashion niche and sell clothes, I especially like this because then you can really see the quality of the clothes that they're selling. So you can actually see how they look like on a live person, because pictures can be really deceiving, and then you can buy whatever sets here or negotiate with the seller directly through here. And if you're ever to the point where you want to message the seller directly and ask questions, all you have to do is just click on their profile here. This will take you to their store, and then you can go ahead and contact them through here, or you guys can find the product that you like in this store, for example. So then if you see like a product that you really like, I personally don't know if this would be like a good store because their prices are kind of high. So I don't know where they're shipping from, but their prices are kind of high, but this is just for the example. So if you were like, say you really loved this product, the couple of things you do have to look for is like for this example. So you have to order 500 pieces in order to even order from the suppliers. Like obviously I wouldn't work with them because even for me, that's a lot. So all you do is you click contact supplier and you send them a message, and you can be casual. You don't have to be super professional. Obviously it helps if you do, but you can just say, hello, I just wanted to inquire about this product. And they're the ones that are trying to sell it to you. So you can kind of allow them to guide you throughout the process as well. So if you guys are new to my channel, there's a couple of different ways you can go about selling online. The first level of e-commerce is buying in bulk, branding your own items, and shipping the orders yourself. This is my personal favorite business model because it allows me to have the most control and it has the most growth long term. The second level of e-commerce is dropshipping. So I used to dropship when I first started getting into e-commerce. You can start dropshipping with $0, which I show you guys how to do on my YouTube channel. I'll put the tutorial right here for you guys. Dropshipping is when you're the middleman. So you're finding this listing on AliExpress. So say there's this certain item that you see on TikTok that's trending, but there's not a real business that has been created for it yet. You could easily find this item on AliExpress or Alibaba if you were buying in bulk. But for this case, you'd be on AliExpress if you're a dropshipper. You would find the listing for a certain price, let's just say $10, and you could put it on your website for $30 to $40. So when the customer buys it from your website, you are going to ship it straight from AliExpress to that customer. So straight from the supplier to the customer. This is the basics of dropshipping. So number 3 business model is print on demand, which is basically like if you wanted to create your own clothing brand or you are an artist and you want to sell clothes with your logo on it. This is another business model that you could technically start with $0, which I talk about on my YouTube channel right here if you guys want to check that video out. And the final way that people sell things online in 2022 is Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is basically when you take a large shipment from Alibaba that you find on Alibaba, something that maybe is not on Amazon yet or something that you think would sell on Amazon, you could either brand it or ship it as is straight to the Amazon warehouse, and then Amazon fulfills those orders for you. As beautiful and as easy and amazing as this sounds, I don't personally recommend Amazon FBA, and here is why. A lot of people that talk about Amazon FBA and, vouch for it, a lot of those people are trying to sell you a course. You have to realize that whenever somebody's trying to sell you a course, of course they're going to hype it up. So you buy their course. There's a lot that comes with Amazon FBA. Not only do you have to make a huge investment up front, but there's a lot of fees that you may have to pay. For example, if Amazon holds your items for a certain amount of time without selling it, they charge you a fee. They call it like storage fee or something along those lines. This is so detrimental because at the end of the day, you're relying on Amazon, and sometimes people actually have to pay just to get their post to the top of the Amazon page. Not only does Amazon take a commission and charge you tons of fees, but then at the end of the day, it's not even your business. It is easy for people to teach Amazon FBA to other people because the business model itself sounds so easy and so simple, and it's something that they say is automated, but they don't really tell you a lot of what comes along with that. I know a lot of you guys kind of wanted an explanation on that in my comment section, so I'm glad that I had the chance in this video to tell you guys about that. So now that you know the options of how you can sell online, and I show you guys too how you guys can start your website for $0 monthly and everything on my YouTube channel, now that you guys know how you can create it for free and how easy it is to actually set up, now is the challenge of finding your niche and product. Now you're going to figure out how much you are going to profit from this product to see if it's worth it. A lot of you guys asked about how I price my products, so I wanted to cover that in this video today. So what I do is I basically just do a full search of the product across the internet. So I actually talked about the rose bears in my products to sell around the holidays video, so I'll use this for an example. Since I do ship products myself and I store them in my own home, these are the things that I think of when choosing a product. How big is this product and how easy will this product be to ship? How heavy is this product? Because you guys know if there's a heavier product, you will have to charge your customers more. Whereas if it's a keychain or a smaller item, it's easier to ship, easier to store, and you could wind up profiting more with a larger quantity. And of course, whenever you're ordering from Alibaba, which Alibaba is the website that you'll order from in bulk, they do charge you shipping costs too. And for smaller items, you're able to get it through Express, which is like DHL, UPS from China. But if it's a big heavy item, they have to send that through sea shipping, which will take longer. Remember that you guys are getting into this because you guys want to probably quit your 9-to-5 jobs or you want to do this full time. So you really have to be thinking about all the possibilities when choosing the products for your store. And don't get too hard on yourself about it because like I told you guys earlier, I started selling lashes and then I went on to selling something completely different. So just because you start somewhere, it's just a start. And I personally like to have some type of inventory on hand because content creation is the most important thing. So even if you are dropshipping, you will need some type of samples or some type of product to make your own video content with, which I fully show you guys how to do that on my YouTube channel as well. You guys know I grew my business without paying for ads, and I did that just by making my own videos and posting a couple times a week on TikTok. If you guys don't have TikTok in your country, Instagram Reels does just as well nowadays. And even Facebook is now rolling out short video reels on their platform as well. So short video content is the future and is what is going to take your business to the next level in today's world. I hope this video helped you in finding the right product or helped to guide you so you could get to where you need to be in order to find the right products. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like this video so I can continue to make content for you guys. Just hitting that like button helps my channel grow so much so I can continue to help you guys out and share my knowledge for 100% for free. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. I try to get back to every single comment that I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is